2021 with my man Jake on the camera. We're gonna make some smash burgers on the Blackstone 17-inch. But we figured we just get started off with some smash burgers while it's heating up, and we'll be right back. All right, so while we're waiting for this to heat up, we're getting there. A little bit longer. So this, our first video, we're gonna do like a lot of little cooking tidbits here, there. I never follow recipes. It might seem a little weird, but Blackstone Grill, and that's what we're gonna do. But the inspiration behind the channel was watching Daddy Jack, Cooking with the Blues. Watched him over and over again, and he gave me a lot of great little ideas. And it just turns out he just passed away recently, a couple weeks ago. Very sad. So anywho, like I said, we're gonna do some smash burgers. I know you've probably seen thousands and thousands of smash burger recipes, but hey, everyone's gonna start somewhere. So Jake and I are starting with smash burgers today. All right. So we got two of them right here. Go with some pepper. A little salt. A little onion powder. A little garlic powder. For the old smash-a-rooney. All right. When we put these down, gotta really hold them. Once you get them out where you want them, hold it down for like a good 10 seconds so we can hopefully get a good sear on there. Look at that. Right? There's a burger. And like I said, I'm no professional. Make tons of mistakes. I'll probably get heckled all the time. Right? Because now, you know, even though I put some stuff on there before, I think I might put a little more. Now it's all flattened out. And we never do little rinky-dink things around here. It's always bigger is better. Right, Jake? All right, so this is what we're looking for. A little crispy right around the edges. A little bubbling up here. So we're gonna go ahead and flip them, all right? Everything you gotta get under there so you don't lose any of the nice crust. I don't have the best table here. Ooh, look at that. That is full of yum. Flavor. What do you think, Jake? Good?
Yep.
Look at that. All right. So Jake likes American cheese on his. Everyone else likes cheddar, so we're just gonna put a piece of cheddar on here. Also, Jake doesn't like his bun toasted, so but we're gonna toast for the cheddar burger. All right, let me just get a little bondage here. Start toasting that. For the effects. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. bun almost perfectly toasted. Almost ready to serve up, right, Jake? You ready for it? All right, let me just get a bun for you. Now, these buns, nowhere's near large enough for what we did here. But hey, what are you gonna do, right? Is that gonna be big enough for you? You think? All right. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh? All right. One's for him, one's for his sister. Like I said, his sister likes her buns toasted. This is our little first smash burger. So here's Jake eating the old first smash burger. What do you think?
It's good.
Is it good or is it great?
Great.
Well, we got a couple more going. All right, Jake. I know you're feeding your face, but say bye.
Bye.
Click subscribe, like it if you like it. This is our first one, like I said. So hopefully we can just we'll get better and better. See ya.